Okay, here we have a Ford Transit, one of the latest models. The problem with this vehicle at the moment, or the symptom is, we try to engage the starter and it won't engage. Phil, can you spin the key please? Off. And again please. Okay, hopefully the camera phone has picked that up. What I suspect it is one of two things. It'll either be a ring gear, but it's happened in a few positions, so I suspect it will be the one-way clutch on the starter motor. So let's get it off and see what we find. So the first thing we'll do now is disconnect the battery for safety, so we can safely remove the starter motor for inspection. Well, owing to height restrictions of the workshop, I can only get the vehicle halfway up the lift, so I'll have to get either on my knees or sit on a stool and do the job that way. So what I'll do next is remove the starter and then we'll have a good look at it. Well, that's the position of the starter. It's actually not too bad to get at once we get under here. So like I said, we'll take it out and have a good look at it. But I strongly suspect that the one-way clutch is gone. It's either that or the ring gear, but my bets is on the one-way clutch. Starter's just about ready to come down. Okay, there we go. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, just like I suspected. Just come a bit close to this, Phil, will you please? Zoom in on that gear, can you see it? Can you see that clearly? That shouldn't do that. Okay, we'll get a new starter and compare it. Yeah, the one-way clutch is gone on that. Okay, here we got the new starter, and it turns one way like it should, but when you try to turn it the other way, it doesn't. I'm pretty confident that once we fit this new starter, it will work perfectly. Well, the new starter is now in place. I've connected the battery. All I've got to do now is bring it down and give it a try. Let's see what happens. Okay, for the moment of truth, can you spin that over? I'll try to. Job done. One-way clutch on the starter motor. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you've got any ideas, questions or comments, please leave them below. Till the next time, bye bye.